In this video, we will look into the process of creating a bot for the short trading strategy. In order to do that, you will need a previously set up access point for your exchange with the API keys entered. Once that is done, go to My Bots in the menu section on the left and click Create Bot. Here we have a selection of the available templates. We will be focusing on the short bot template. The basic settings are already chosen for you. All that remains is to set up the rest or connect the basic settings up to your preferences. The main choice is that of which cryptocurrencies you want to trade. As an example, let's take USDT and BTC pair. USDT is the base currency in this case, which is always displayed first in the pair. In the short strategy, that is the currency in which you will be receiving your profits. The second currency, Bitcoin in this case, is the one you need to have on your deposit before you can start trading. The mechanism of the short strategy bot is a sale of your second currency, and it's following repurchase at a smaller price, after which you receive profit in your base currency. The profit from each trade is set in the Take Profit Value field, which is a percentage by which the price of the second currency must drop before the bot makes the purchase. In the basic settings, the first order volume for the sale of your second currency is displayed as a percentage of the deposit. You may change it to fixed value. An extra order will also be displayed as a fixed value, and it must correspond to the fixed value of the first order volume. In this case, it will be 5 or more, but cannot be less. Below is the step of extra order field, which is a percentage value. If you didn't catch the trend and the price of the second currency started going up, the bot will sell your currency at a higher price to buy it cheaper once the rate does start going down. Below are fields that specify the maximum number of extra orders and count of real-time extra orders. The next part, filters, is really important. Initially, only the Bollinger signal will be turned on. If you turn on all filters, you increase the precision of entry point to the market, but reduce the frequency of entries. If all filters are on, there may be days between entry points, and it may take some time for bot to start a deal. After all fields are complete, press Save. The only thing left to do is to switch the bot on. When the bot is on, it will wait for a signal to enter the market at an optimal point. If you are certain that you want to enter the market immediately, you can do it manually by clicking Force Start. Press Start New Cycle. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your short strategy bot.